Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to find your USDT address in Bybit. First thing first, directly open wallet management from your account settings on the Bybit dashboard. Click Assets on the top right corner, then choose Funding or Spot account. Find USDT, then click Withdraw. This opens up the withdrawal window. Just click Add if you want to add a new wallet USDT, or you can find your existing wallets there. All you have to do is just click on the USDT address you want to show, and you can even copy it or share it with your friends. You can manage addresses anytime in wallet management. So, a pro tip, if you're withdrawing USDT often, add multiple networks for compatibility and to avoid mistakes. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Bybit tutorials on our channel, and I'll see you next time.